mechanism to deal with piracy in OTT platforms that is also becoming widespread because anti-camera recording of films, etc. in theaters.
He knows much about film industry.
So
of late he has gained experience. Honorable Minister.
The honorable member raised the question and he himself...
Yes, you are. Oh my God. One second.
I will add to this, sir.
No, 1 second. Sri Raghav Chadda, 5th supplementary.
Thank you so much, sir. So as we all know that piracy is a plague that is all pervasive, not just in the cinema industry today, but also in the OTT platform world. Sir, piracy and unauthorized reproduction of copyrighted content has led to an annual loss of 20,000 crores in the film industry and the OTT industry, and there has been an increase of 62% of piracy incidents during the pandemic alone. Through you, sir, I would like to ask the Honourable Minister that the cinematography bill that was passed in this House last year, which largely deals with the anti-camera recording of films, etc. in theatres, is the Government of India today planning to either amend the cinematography bill or come out with a separate mechanism to deal with piracy in OTT platforms that is also becoming widespread because of this unauthorized reproduction, years and years worth of hard work and effort of artists goes down the drain. So I would really urge through you, the Minister, to come up with an institutional mechanism to deal with this piracy.
Yes, he knows much about film industry.
So
of late he has gained experience. Honorable Minister.
The honorable member raised the question and he himself...
Yes, you are. Oh my God. 1 second.
I will add to this, sir.
1 second. I know Jayaji has been legend ever since he entered on that cellular screen. So I am quite sure what she has said. It's because of her. And the question has been rationally worded.
I will clarify, sir.
No, don't clarify.
No, I will clarify.
You don't clarify when you get endorsement.
I get more information about piracy.
1 second. Raghav, 1 second. Never clarify when you get endorsement from a legend.
No, I
will not allow. Honorable
I welcome
Minister.
the endorsement, sir.
No, Honorable Minister.
Endorsement.
Respected sir.